हेलो गाइस, आज का जो टॉपिक है वो है ट्रांजिट वीज़ा। तो इसके क्या गाइडलाइंस हैं, कैसे आप इसको अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, क्या टाइप्स होते हैं ट्रांजिट वीज़ा के। और आज का जो वीडियो है वो इंडियन पासपोर्ट होल्डर्स के लिए है कि उनको क्या रिक्वायरमेंट होती है अगर वो अब्रॉड ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं और ट्रांजिट वीज़ा अगर उनको चाहिए तो किस तरीके से वो उसको अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। In this video, I will inform essential guidelines to transit visa requirements. Understanding transit visa requirement can be confusing, especially for Indian passport holders. This video will explain what a transit visa is and provide a breakdown of countries where Indian citizens typically need one. What is a transit visa? A transit visa is a temporary visa that allows travelers to pass through a country on their way to a third destination. It is usually required for travelers who have layovers in certain countries and may need to leave the airport or stay for a specified period. Let's see the types of transit visa. Standard transit visa. A standard transit visa grants the holder permission to leave the airport premises during their layover. This facility is particularly useful for travelers who have extended layovers or want to explore the city they are transiting through. Airport transit visa. In contrast, an airport transit visa restricts passengers to the designated transit area within the airport. They cannot venture beyond the airport international zone even during extended layovers. Transit visa requirements by countries. So let's see the country-wise list. Australia. A subclass 771 transit visa is required unless the traveler is eligible for an exemption. Brazil. A transit visa is needed if the layover exceeds 24 hours or if the traveler intends to leave the airport transit area. Canada. A transit visa is required unless the traveler qualifies for a visa exemption such as holding a valid visa for the USA or being eligible under the transit without visa, which is also known as TWOV program. China. A transit visa is required unless eligible for a 24, 72 or 144-hour visa-free transit policy. This policy allows traveler to stay within designated area for a short period without a visa, depending on their itinerary and departure from specific Chinese airports. Egypt. For travelers transiting through Cairo International Airport, Egypt Air, the national carrier of Egypt, offer a convenient 96-hour transit visa free of charge. It can be obtained upon arrival. Japan. A transit visa is required for most Indian travelers unless holding a valid visa or residence permit for the USA, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, or a Schengen country. This allows short stays during the transit period. Mexico. Effective from 22nd October 2023, a visitor visa is mandatory for all international travelers transiting through Mexico's airports regardless of layover duration. New Zealand. A transit visa is necessary unless the traveler hold a valid visa for Australia, USA, Canada or certain other countries that permit visa-free transit. Russia. Indian passport holders require a transit visa for any layover in Russian airports regardless of the duration of their stay within the airport. Singapore. Indian passport holders need a transit visa unless eligible for the visa-free transit facility. USA. A C1 transit visa is mandatory unless the traveler holds a valid visa for entry into the USA or qualifies for specific exemptions such as being part of the visa waiver program. Please note, this is important. This information is for general guidance only. Visa requirements can change, so it's crucial to double check the official embassy or consulate website of the country. If you need any more information, you can comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.